In this video, I'll show you how to import passwords to Nordpass. Alright, so I'm using Nordpass on the web browser version. So you can use the app or the browser version, whichever one works best for you. They can both get the job done. So what we're going to do is click on passwords over here, and we'll save that for later. So let's say you want to import your browser passwords. So for me, I'll go to this tab on the top right, the hamburger. And I'm going to go to passwords and autofill, and then password manager. In here, I'll click on my settings, and here where it says export passwords, I'll click on download file, type in my password, so that'll be the password for my PC, and now it'll download a .csv file, which I'll just choose the save location and hit save. Okay, now that we've got our .csv with all our passwords in, head over to Nordpass again, and we're just going to click on import password, choose Brave browser over here because that's what I'm using, click on whatever you're using, and we've already completed those steps. So let's just drag in our .csv, and then all you want to do is click on import. And there we go, all our passwords are now imported. Make sure to go back and delete that CSV file. You don't want it just lying around. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.